In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to chat with Midjourney bot. First, open Discord. You can use the desktop app or the web version, whichever you prefer. Make sure you're logged in so your servers and messages load correctly. Once you're in, look at the left sidebar where your servers are listed and click the Midjourney server. If you don't see it there, you may need to join it first through the official Midjourney instructions, then come back to this view. With the server open, we want to display the member list. On desktop, look to the top right of the window for the icon that toggles the member panel. It often looks like a people or profile silhouette. Click it once to reveal the right-hand sidebar. If you're on mobile, tap the member icon near the top or swipe to reveal the list. If the member list is already visible, you're good to go. Now, on the right side, you'll see the server's members grouped by roles and categories. Scroll through that list and look for Midjourney bot. It's typically listed under a bots or similar section. To speed this up, you can use the member search at the top of the panel and type Midjourney bot. Make sure you select the official bot entry. Look for the verified look and naming so you know you're in the right place. Next, click Midjourney bot. On desktop, that may open a small profile card where you can choose message, which will take you straight into a direct message. If Discord opens a profile view instead, just find the message button there. Another simple route is to go to your direct messages list on the left sidebar and click Midjourney bot from there. If you haven't messaged it before, it will appear after you initiate a message from the member list. You should now be in a private chat thread with the Midjourney bot. This is where the conversation happens. From here, you can interact with the bot just like you would in a server channel, but in a cleaner one-on-one space. If you want to keep it handy, consider favoriting or pinning the DM so it's easy to find later. If the bot doesn't respond right away, double-check your connection and that you're in the correct DM thread with the official bot. That's all there is to it. Open Discord, reveal the member list, find Midjourney bot, and open the direct message. You're ready to chat.